Hi guys, we've got a really exciting opportunity out of the market of Canberra in the ACT. Now many of you out there might have heard across 2018 and started 2019, really good things coming out of Canberra. A lot of positive sentiment in the market compared to a lot of other markets in the country, and it's definitely true. 2018 we had really good strong rental growth and value growth in the ACT market. Still into 2019, growth's been going really well and it's poised to do so into the future. So where we can take a look at markets that are doing the complete opposite to the likes of Sydney, going backwards, we know that it's a good cyclical timing and a good area to focus on. Now, the opportunity at hand, I love these types because it is just rare real estate. In an otherwise sold out complex, we have a bulk buyer who had secured 5 two-bedroom apartments in this particular complex, which now isn't going ahead, leaving any smart investor ready to go now, the ripe opportunity to get into some real estate that you otherwise can't get your hands on. Working closely with the developer, there's 5 two-bedroom apartments that have come back up, priced from $550,000. Now the rental returns are north of 6% gross, and we're talking about a complex that's finishing in July of 2019. So if you've got a conditional approval already, we can eliminate a lot of risk there, start your finance and everything now or in coming weeks so that we don't have any hurdles later on with typical off the plan buying. 5% deposits are available. So all in all, it's a really well tailored investment opportunity that you otherwise really can't get your hands on early days in a normal big project launch. The complex is amazing. It's by a top developer out of Canberra, and we're about 1 kilometre from the ACT city centre. Literally on the doorstep of this complex is thousands of full-time employees, which is why we're talking about the potential for 6% plus gross rental returns or more, up to 6.5% possible. You cannot do that in Melbourne, you can't do that in Brisbane, you can't do it in Sydney, you cannot do it anywhere else buying in a capital region with good growth potential and really strong rentals as well. Of course, borrowing money at the moment is a little bit hard, so where we can get rental returns like this, it's actually going to be able to assist us with our serviceability calculation, allow us to put us in the best position to get the best loan structure possible. So a lot of people sadly chase rental growth and go to inferior regions of Australia, which can make value on their asset decline. Otherwise, a lot of people are chasing growth and going to high growth capital city regions, buying high quality real estate, and the rental returns 2.5%, 3%. So we sacrifice some holding costs there. Canberra right now is the best of both worlds. There's not many pockets around the country where you both have really good rental and very good value growth components. We know what's going on in Canberra. It's our capital city. The population is expected to double over the next several decades. The value and yield orientation is very attractive compared to our other capital regions. Jobs are amazing there, growing. There's a lot of infrastructure spend, and you know what people are making in terms of incomes there in relation to property prices is the strongest in the country, which means there's a lot more room for growth too. It's a booming marketplace, but sadly into the future it's going to get a lot more investor attention and become more expensive. So if you're interested, 5 two-bedroom apartments, settling in a couple of months, 6% gross rental returns. It's a fall-over opportunity. These will go quick, so please register your interest. Let's have a chat.